Google has unveiled a Project Astra, an ambitious initiative aimed at creating a universal AI assistant capable of understanding context, formulate plans, and execute actions on the behalf of users within the Android ecosystem. This project was showcased during the Google I/O 2025, where it is potentially to streamline the task and the save time was demonstrated. In the demonstration, Astra assists with a bike repair by navigating through the manual, locating a YouTube tutorial, and potentially contacting a shop. This was achieved through an AI agent that controls the Android apps by simulating the screen inputs. The demonstration highlights the advanced yet developing capability of this technology. AI agent capabilities. The AI agent developed by Google can automate action within Android app. During the demo, it opened a PDF, scroll to find the requested page, launch the YouTube app, and search the relevant videos. This showcased the Google program in creating an AI that can control Android mobile. When Astra operating on a phone, a small circular overlay appears on the left side of the screen. As it is a scroll or tap, user can see simulate the screen input. The presence of screen recording chip, and the glowing overlay suggests Astra to read the screen content before deciding where to tap or swipe. Gemini chatbot evolution. Google Chat Google Gemini chatbot has evolved significantly since its debut in late 2023. Initially, struggling with the basic tasks like setting the reminder, it now chain action across the services and answer questions about what on your phone screen or camera. In the future, Gemini was even control your Android phone to search the document and open the app for the information relevant. The demonstration also revealed that Google AI agent is not yet ready to a public release. Portion of the video showing the agent was spanned up a factor of 2, indicating that it's currently operating slowly. However, this development make a progress toward achieving the Google vision of universal AI assistant. Project Astra Future. No current AI assistant can perform all these tasks without some user intervention. However, Google offer a However, Google offer various independent AI features that could control the combination to achieve this feat. Project Astra later prototype demonstrating how those features might be work together seamlessly in the future. The new capabilities demonstration the new capability demonstration might not be available immediately but expected to be released evenly in some form. As update continue for Project Astra, Gemini becoming a more appealing as a new feature are anticipating to enhance its feature over the time. While it is unclear if Astra performed this action on device using the multi-model Gemini Nano model, it even it huh, it evident that the future development is needed before rolling out this Android AI agent widely. Despite this, each update each update bring Google closer to the release its vision for an all compromise, all